Hello friends, welcome to the Score More Aptitude channel. So in this video, we will see the basics of coding and decoding. Coding and decoding. So in coding and decoding questions, a word is coded in a particular way and the candidates are asked to code other words in the same way. The coding and decoding tests are set up to judge the candidate's ability to decipher the rule that has been followed to code a particular word, and we have to break the code to decipher the message or the word. Okay, so for coding and decoding purpose we need to remember the alphabetical order of all the alphabets from A to Z. Okay, so now let's write the alphabets from A to Z. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now let's give the order number. So A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, this is 13, 14, and 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. So these are the alphabetical order given to the A to Z. And in some questions we need to remember the reverse alphabetical order also, right? So in that case the Z is 1 and this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. Okay, so now we can remember the increasing order of the alphabetical numbers by using the EJ-OTY rule. EJ-OTY rule. So EJ-OTY rule means E is 5 and J is 10, O is 15 and T is 20 and Y is 25. Suppose I ask to find the alphabetical order of L. So we know that L is actually very near to J. So we know from the EJ-OTY J is 10 and L is going to be K and L. So from this actually we take this E, J, O, P and Y are the bases. Okay, for example I want to find the alphabetical order of L. So how I can find? We know that L is very near to J. So we know that we remember this EJ-OTY. So that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So J is 10 and L is going to be after two places of J, L will come. So based on the J is 10 and L is going to be 12. So in this way, by using the EJ-OTY rule, we can remember the alphabetical order of the A to Z. Okay, so now how we can remember the reverse alphabetical order? Okay, so reverse alphabetical order. Okay, so the how we will get the reverse order number? So that is going to be reverse order is equal to 27 minus alphabetical order. Alphabetical order. So reverse order number is going to be get by 27 minus alphabetical order. For example, if you take this one, Z is 1 and in the alphabetical order Z is 26. Okay, so this 1 is going to become 27 minus 26 will give the Z's position in the reverse order. Okay, so for example, how we can find, let us find the P's reverse order. So how we can find that one? That is going to be 27 minus alphabetical order. So after O, P will come. So O is 15 and P is 16. So 27 minus 16. So that is going to be 11. So the reverse order of P is what? Actually the 11. Okay, so whenever you want to find the reverse order of a particular alphabet, then you have to subtract that alphabetical order from 27 and you will get the reverse order. Okay, so I hope you got this one. Okay, so this is the, for coding and decoding purpose, you need to remember the alphabetical order of A to Z and reverse alphabetical order of Z to 1. Okay, so how to remember the alphabetical order of the numbers? Using the EJOTY rule. How we will get the reverse order? So 27 minus alphabetical order will give the reverse order. Okay, so now let's see one question based on this. So the question is like, in a certain code, lake is written as OZPV. Okay, OZPV. So then how will back be written? How will back be written in the same code? So how the back will written in the same code, right? So it is given that how the lake is written as OZPY, right? So here I take LAKE and this is written as OZPV. Okay, OZPV. So what are the value of L? So JKL. So after using the EJOTY, so J is 10 and KL. So this is going to be 12 and A is 1. So after J, K will come. So this is going to be 11 and E is 5 using the EJOTY. So O is 15 in the OJOTY and Z is 26 and P is, after O, P will come. So after 15 and this is going to be 16. T. So after T, U, V. So V is actually 22. Okay, so now we observe the pattern. So what is the pattern? Actually, if you observe, what we can find? So from this we can find that L is coded as O and A is coded as Z and K is coded as P and E is coded as V. So if we observe this one, so 12 plus 15, so this is going to be 27. Okay, so 12 plus 15, so is written as 27, right? If you add those two numbers, we will get 27. So in the same manner, 1 plus 26, that is also going to be 27 and 11 plus 16, so this is also actually equal to 27 and 5 plus 22, so this is also actually 27. So that means actually what is the coding order? So that means actually the sum of the the alphabetical order of the letter and its coding letter is going to be equal to 27. The sum of both the coding and decoding letters value is going to be 27. So in the same manner we have to write the code for back. So now let's take BACK. Okay, B is what? 2 and A is 1 and C is 3. So after J, K will come. So it is 11. So now by adding what value we will get the 27 to 2? So that is 25. We will get 27. So by adding 26 to the 1 we will get 27. So by adding 20, no, right, 27, right? So by adding 24, we will get 27. So by adding 16 to the 11, we will get the 27, right? So what is the 25th letter? The 25th letter is Y by using EJOTY, and 26 is Z, and 24 is X, and 16 is P, and 16 is P. So that means actually the back is coded as YZXP. Okay, so the back is coded as YZXP. Okay, so I hope you got this one. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please leave a comment. So please subscribe to my channel. So thank you once again. Hello friends, welcome to the Score More Aptitude channel. So in this video, we will see another type of coding and decoding problem. So in this video, we will see the letter coding type of problems. Okay, so in the coding and decoding, we will see the problems based on letter coding. Okay, letter coding. So what is letter coding? So in letter coding, the word and its decoding word and its coded word both are going to be contain the same kind of letters. Okay, so the word and its coded word both are going to be contain the same kind of the letters, but actually their order is jumbled. So we need to find that jumbled order in finding the coding word of a given word. Okay, so let us assume, let us take one question and solve based on the letter coding. So in a certain code language, give is written as VIEG, VIEG, and over is written as EVRO. Over is written as EVRO. How will disk be written in that same code, in that same code? Okay, so if you observe that give is written as VIEG. So if you observe this one, the give and the VIEG contain the same kind of the letter. So V is here, V is here, I is here, I is here, and G, G, E, E. And if you take this over is written as EVRO. So this over and EVRO consist of actually same kind of the letter. So when the word and its coded word both contain the same kind of letters, then it is called as letter coding. Okay, so whenever this problems based on the letter coding is given, so you need to draw the mapping. Okay, you need to draw the mapping from the given word to the and its coding. Let us take that give, GIVE, is coded as VIEG, VIEG. So now you draw the map. So first one is moved to the fourth one, and the second one is in the position of the second one, and the third one is in the position of first one, and the fourth one is in the position of second one. Okay, so now over is written as EVRO. So OVER, over is written as EVRO. So if you see this one, the first one is coded, I mean moved to the fourth position, and second one is in the second position, and the third one is moved to the first position, and the fourth one is moved to the second position. So if you observe, these two actually both are following the same pattern. So we have to follow the same pattern for the disk also. So disk. So the first one is moved to the fourth position in the both these coding letters. So that's why actually the first one is going to be moved to fourth position, and the second one in the both the cases in the second position only. So this I is here only, and third one is moved to the first position. So that's why S is going to be moved to the first position, and the fourth one is moved to the third position, right? So that's why K will come here. So that means actually disk is coded as SIKD. So that means actually the disk is coded as SIKD. Okay. So whenever there is a letter coding, that means the given word and its coding word is going to be contains the same kind of the letters, you need to solve this one mapping. Okay, this kind of mapping. Okay, so in this question the disk is actually coded as SIKD. Okay, so I hope you got this one. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please leave a comment and please subscribe my channel. So thank you once again. Hello friends, welcome to the Score More Aptitude channel. So in this video, we will see another type of coding and decoding problem. So this kind of coding and decoding problems in this VC is number coding. Okay, so number coding. So in the previous video, we have seen letter coding, and in this video, we will see the number coding. Okay, so in this number coding, what happened actually, the given word, okay, each alphabet in the given word assigned to a specific number, okay, given to a specific number coding, and again another word is given, so we need to find the number coding for that given word. Okay, so let us consider one example. For example, the work is coded as 4, 12, 9 and 16. So then how will you code woman? Then how will you code woman? So this is the first question, right? Work is coded as 4, 12, 9, 16. Then how will you code woman? Okay, so now it is given that work is coded as 4, 12, 9 and 16. So that means the given word is actually coded in numerical, so that is number coding. So now we have to find how this woman is coded. Okay, so if you see the position of the W, okay, S T U V W. So this W is going to be what? Actually, it is going to be 23's position, right? 23 position. W is at 23 position, right? And O, according to the EJOTY, O is at 15th position. Okay, and R is at 18th position, and K is at 11th position, right? So if you observe actually the code, okay, if you observe the code, so it is actually 23 from the alphabetical order. Okay, so this O is 15 from the alphabetical order. But if you see this 4, 12, 9, 16, these are actually the reverse alphabetical order of W, O, R, K, right? So when we will get the reverse alphabetical order of W, that is 27 minus its alphabetical order. So 27 minus 23, that is 4. 27 minus 15, that is 12. 27 minus 18, that is 9. 27 minus 11, that is 26. Right? So in the same manner, we have to find the reverse alphabetical order for these words. So W is 23, O is 15, J, K, L, M, KLM. So that is M is 13, A is 1, N is 14. Okay, so then how will can the reverse alphabetical order of this one? 27 minus 23, so that is 4. 27 minus 15, that is 12. 27 minus 13, so that is 14. 27 minus 1, so that is 26. 27 minus 14, so that is 13. Okay, so if work is coded as 4, 12, 9, 16, then women is going to be actually coded as 4, 12, 14, 26 and 13. Okay, so I hope you got this one. So let's see another kind of the problem based on the number coding. Okay, so in a certain code, Raju is coded as 11, 12, 13 and 14. Okay, in a certain code that Raj is coded as 11, 12, 13, 14, and junk, Junk, junk is coded as 13, 14, 10 and 9. Okay, so 13, 14, 10 and 9. So then how the rank is coded? How the rank is coded? This one we have to find, right? So here, if you observe this one, we can find R here and A here and N here and K here. So directly we take R is 11, A is 12 and N is 10 and K is 9. Okay, K is 9. So the rank is going to be coded in the form of 11, 12, 10 and 9. 10 and 9. So this is very easy. Okay, so whenever you find this number coding, okay, you need to observe the pattern in which they are actually coded. So based on that, you have to actually code the given word in a number format. Okay, so I hope you got this one. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please leave a comment and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again. Hello friends, welcome to the Score More Aptitude channel. So in this video, we will see another type of coding and decoding problem. So in this case, in this video, we will see decoding the message word. Okay, so I will take one example. I will show you how we can decode the given message word. Okay, so let us take one example to see this decoding the message word problem. Okay, in a certain code language, in a certain code language, 786 means study very hard. Study very hard. And 958 means hard work pays. Means hard work pays. And 645 means study and work. Study and work. So which of the following? So then we have to find what is the code for very. What is the code for very? So we have to find the code for very. So in a certain code language, 786. Okay, so let us write these are a little bit far. 786 means what? Study very hard. So in the same way, it is given that 958 means hard work pays. In the same manner, 645 means study and work. Study and work. So here we can find 8 and here we can find 8. Here we can find the 5. Okay, so let's give one, wherever you find the common numbers, let's give one distinct symbol. So here we have 8 and here also we have 8. And here we have 6. And here also we have 6. And here we have 5. And here also we have 5. Okay, so here we have 6 and here we have 8. Here also we have 8. So what is the common between these two? So if you see the common between study very hard, work pays. So that is hard. So in these two between the 8 is the common and in these two between the common is hard. So circle the hard. So if you observe these two, now 6 is here and the 6 is here. So now we have to see the common between the first message and the third message. So what is the common between the first message and second message? That is study and study. So that means 6 is here, 6 is here. So this one is going to be triangle. And this one is going to be in the triangle. Okay, so that means actually this study. So now if you see 5 is here and 5 is here. So what is the common between this second message and third message? So that is work. Work is here and the work is here. So now what we left with? So that means 7 means very and 9 means pays and 4 means and. 4 means and. So now we have to find the symbol for very. So very is here and only the 7 left. So that means what is the code for very? So the 7 is the code for very. The 7 is the code for very. Okay. So whenever you have given this kind of the decoding the message word, you need to use these kind of the special symbols. So that makes visually very easy to identify the code for the given word. Okay. So I hope you got this one. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please leave a comment. And thank you very much for watching this video.